Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. I'm Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give y'all a pep talk in a 1-minute-ish video. So today on the Writers Atelier IG account, our quote for the day is about reclaiming your writing time. And I wanted to put it also on the Motivational Minute because I've just been thinking about it a lot lately, especially talking to writers about their goals for the new year and what they want to achieve. And I was realizing that so many writers are still stuck in their past, meaning that they're still stuck in the mindset of what they didn't accomplish, and that they said they were going to, and even all the times they didn't write when they were supposed to. And I just wanted to take a second to remind you all that it doesn't matter if you said you were going to write every day last year and maybe you didn't, or you said you were going to write every Tuesday and it didn't happen. At any point you can choose to reclaim your writing time. This is the beauty of our profession. The rules are there are no rules. So try to let go of that, whatever it was that you didn't do, and focus more on taking your time back. Okay? Have a seat, grab a cup of coffee, pick up your notebook, and brainstorm all the new times that you can write, even if it's just for 5 minutes. You always have a choice to take back your writing time and your writing life. All right. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, be sure to check out our online accountability and coaching program. We help writers stay accountable, and we discuss this sort of thing all the time, getting back on the horse when you've fallen off. So take a second to check that out, see if it's a good fit. And thanks y'all so much for watching our Motivational Minutes and our YouTube channel in general. We love having you here, and I will see you on the next Motivational Minute. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.